Welcome to the channel, everyone. Well, today again working on the 80 Chevy Silverado. Got the frame pretty well stripped down except for the transmission transfer case and then the axles. So pretty much everything I can bolt or unbolt is unbolted. I just went through, scraped off as much grease as I could. I like to take paper or old newspaper, lay it down, scrape off as much junk as you can. That'll really help speed the cleanup process, which I'm about to start right now. So I'm gonna roll it in the middle of the shop there. We got a good drain, and I'm gonna scrub this frame down so I can start the well, start to get it ready for paint. Okay guys, so Super Clean actually sent me a bunch of products of theirs to try. I've been using them off and on, and I've showed them a few times, but I never really did like a video on its own. But I'm using it on the frame here. It's pretty good stuff. The degreaser, they sent actually a couple different degreasers, and I mean it does a pretty good job of getting the grease off of stuff. I used it on the front axle of my other truck, and I've used it on my Polaris Ranger to clean it up. You gotta be careful what you spray it on. You don't want to do like bare aluminum and stuff like that. And I think it got after my my headers that were coated. So you just want to be careful what you spray it on, because it's a pretty strong degreaser, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna let this soak for a little bit. We'll get the hose out, we'll wash it off. It's got a lot of dirt on it too, but I'm sure I'll have to probably spray some more and scrub it down a little bit with some brushes and stuff. But this is the boring work of restoration, and it's not all taking brand new parts and bolting on, but it's got to be done. It's part of it. Okay, so I got the bulk of it washed off. I mean, I gotta, if I'm gonna paint it, I gotta scuff the frame up, and I'm gonna pull the transmission, transfer case, I'm going to separate them. I'll be able to do a better job. Transmission's pretty good. Transfer case is going to need some more degrease, and probably going to have to use parts cleaner and stuff like that on that, just like I did with the 70. But I can't do any more right now. I got to get it by itself. But overall, actually this is not near as greasy as the 70 was. But this might be original paint on this frame. I thought it was repainted, but that might be original black. I'll have to see what it looks like once it dries off, but it sure looks like it's original paint. I mean, there's going to be no pitting or anything on this frame, because it's just got some little bit of rust here and there, and that's it. But this won't take long to dry out, and I'll push her back to the hoist there, and then I just got a little bit of spot cleaning. The axles, front axle's pretty clean, the rear needs a little more, but I gotta take the covers off anyway, and I'll get the rest of it. Then this is just trying to get the bulk of the frame clean, so looks good. Actually, now I got to do my repairs. Got a couple cracks I gotta work on, so that's probably what I'll be doing next. Okay, so I've got her cleaned up, and it's looking pretty good, guys. That might be original paint on that frame. I mean, the frame is in really good shape. I don't think there's going to be, there's going to be very little pitting, if any. Maybe just on these tops, like something right there might have a little bit of pit. I don't know what was up there, but yeah, frame really needs probably a sandblast, and it would look like new. I don't know if I have enough sand to do that though. We'll see. Moving on here. You guys remember that crack in the bend in the frame that I showed? It's actually cracked. That dent that I showed earlier. Maybe the last video. Anyway, I got to deal with that, so I've got it bent back in place. I've ground the crack out, and I've also drilled a hole at the end of the crack. So right now I'm going to weld that all up, then I'll grind it smooth. Should be just as strong as it was, and no one will even know it was cracked. So got the big welder out for this job, just because I want really good penetration. It is a frame, so yeah, I'm gonna get that welded up. Well, so there it is, guys. Like it never even happened. A little bit of welding, a little bit of grinding, a little bit of sanding. I did go underneath. I did a little bit underneath too, just to make sure it was good and solid. But yeah, happy with that, guys. Like I said, like it never even happened. But I suppose, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Keep watching, and I'll keep working on this thing. We'll see what happens. I'll see ya.